car's still there. Can't be got out until the conditions improve.
That's good advice there from Paul Butcher from the...
The Lewis is restricted as well. The Dart is not affected. Some or most schools are closed in Dublin, but not all today.
What's up everyone? It's a snow day. We've had like 3-4 days of Storm Emma hitting Ireland. The beast from the east as we're calling it. It's a blizzard from Serbia or Siberia, one of them. And it's hitting with this other storm, and together it's created this. The country's starting to rebuild itself back after this. Like in Ireland we haven't had snow like this since the 80s. This is a big deal. I know in other countries you'd be looking at this like, so what? But you know, you're more prepared. We literally have never had this. Shoo Habibi. Ignore the title. I just wanted a big cup of coffee today. Make a bulletproof coffee, okay? So make a normal coffee in the French cafeteria, and then in your bulletproof or in a hand blender, just put in some Kerrygold full fat Irish butter, some coconut oil, organic if possible, a little scoop of turmeric powder, or raw turmeric if you have that as well. And it just opens everything up. Like you just become, yeah, you really feel that. So they're making an igloo outside. It's been an active few days, so I think today the best thing to do is to just see what happens with the city. See if we recover well from all this snow. But for now I need to get some work done and enjoy this food. Penny's finest. Switch to the phone. It's good to test this out, the Samsung Galaxy S8. See how the quality holds up. Lighting is everything. All kitted out. So the village is still super snowed in. It's hard to drive there. We're hungry. We're gonna get pizza, but they're not delivering. It's all pick up. So we're gonna walk down. Hopefully, it won't take us more than 20 minutes to get over and pick up a pizza. Oh my god. It's a bit slippy, but it's fine. We'll get there. That'll melt the snow. Dark. We only went in for 1 pint while ordering the pizza.
Feel free to eat it.
My sister, her friend Neve, and my dad built this between last night and today, and then I had the brick idea earlier, and I started to carve in there with my sister and her boyfriend Dave. We started to remove the inside so that you could actually sit in and sit up. So there's a lot of room in there. The only problem now is you want to build it so that it insulates and it becomes more of like a hut-like thing. Get more of like a tunnel sort of thing going on. What can I say? I'm a visionary. I'll make this a reality. Colouring is really weird in this at the moment. There's that better now. So I'm heading over to Mick's and we're going to drive over to a mate's house. Wow, that is an impressive igloo. Look at that. What? Okay, this is a big igloo. This is an impressive igloo. Ah, it's not an igloo, it's got an open top. See, that's not as good as what we have going on. No. Wow. Okay, that's super impressive. Funny thing is, on the other side of this, there's a hole, so you'd have to be right under the wood. Still pretty good though. I'm very impressed. Oh, there he is now. Did I get you? Huh?
So nice.
So nice. Did I get you?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Alright.
What's that bad, Michelle? 10. Oh, One, two, three, 4, 5. Oh! One. Wait, what? I was ready.
Right, just keep going, just keep going.
Ready? 1. Oh! Shut no, not like this. I've been hit, Captain. Had to abandon that car. The Mick's car was just too low. It was hitting off the snow, so we couldn't drive out of the estate. It was too slippy, it wouldn't work. Although you should look out for a video that's coming out soon that Mick is editing of his time around Wales and driving all around there. It's really cool. It's like Top Gear, but like, oh, it's like his own version of Top Gear, of just him and 2 other lads just driving around, and he got some drone footage. It's so scenic. It's a beautiful thing. He's only edited the first part so far, but it's going to be amazing when it's done, so keep an eye out for that. But as good as that car is and as fucking cool and retro it is, it just couldn't get through the snow, so we're using his dad's car to drive around now. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock. I need to get some sleep. So thank you for watching. Good night.